A single sneeze rockets out of your nose at a staggering 100 miles per hour, outpacing even the fastest cheetah. This explosive gust isn't just a rush of air, it's a microscopic whirlwind, hurling thousands of tiny droplets into the air. These droplets, invisible to the naked eye, swirl through the atmosphere, carrying with them a hidden universe of particles, everything from the remnants of your lunch to viral hitchhikers. In the blink of an eye, a sneeze transforms your surroundings into a dynamic, unseen world teeming with life and secret stories. So next time you sneeze, remember, it's not just a simple achoo, it's a high-speed adventure into the microscopic mysteries of the air we breathe.